units of measurement. So we know what are the units of measuring length. That is meter, which is written in short as m. And a meter length is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is named centimeter and written in short as cm, that is centimeter. Thus, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, or we can say 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. And a centimeter length is divided into 10 equal parts, and each part is named millimeter and written in short as mm. Thus, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, or we can say 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. The long distances are measured in kilometer. This kilometer is equal to 100 meters. That means 1 kilometer is equal to 100 meters, and the kilometer is written in short as km. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, or we can say 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. What are the units of measuring mass? We know that the standard unit of mass or weight is kilograms, which we write in short as kg. A 100th part of a kilogram is gram, which is written in short as gram. Thus, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, or we can say 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. That is, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram and 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. And we know that gram is very small unit of mass or weight. Now we can see what are the units of measuring capacity. We know that two main units for measuring capacity are liters and milliliters. In short, liter is written as L and milliliter is written as ml. And we know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, or we can say 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Now let's learn how to convert the units or conversion between the units. See, we know the units of length are kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter. We know kilometer is the biggest unit and millimeter is the smallest unit. So first we can see how to change from kilometer to meter. For changing from kilometer to meter, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 2 kilometer means 2000 meter, 3 kilometer means 3000. That means we have to multiply the kilometer scale by 1000 to get to convert to meter. So for changing from kilometer to meter, we have to multiply it by 1000. And if we want to change from meter to kilometer, we have to divide it by 1000. And next we can see if we want to change from meter to centimeter. For changing from meter to centimeter, we have to multiply by what number? We know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we have to multiply the meter by 100 to change to centimeter. So for changing from meter to centimeter, we have to multiply by 100. And the same way, for changing from centimeter to meter, we have to divide it by 100. And next, when we change from centimeter to millimeter, we have to multiply by 10 because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So for changing from centimeter to millimeter, we have to multiply by 10. And the same way, for changing from millimeter to centimeter, we have to divide it by 10. Let us take an example. Convert 7.15 kilometer to meter. So we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So here we know for changing from kilometer to meter, we have to multiply it by 1000. So we have to multiply 7.15 by 1000. When we multiply a decimal number by 1000 means, so we know in 1000, there are 3 zeros. So the decimal point moves 3 places to the right. So the answer will be 7150 meter. So 7150 meter. So let us learn how to change from kilogram to gram. So for changing from kilogram to gram, we know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So for changing from kilogram to gram, we have to multiply it by 1000. And changing from gram to kilogram, we have to divide by 1000. Let us take an example. Convert 40.5 grams to kilograms. So here we know we are changing from gram to kilogram. So for changing from gram to kilogram, we have to divide by 1000. So 40.5 divided by 1000. So when we divide, the decimal point moves to the left. So count the number of zeros in 1000. That is, there are 3 zeros in 1000. So the decimal point moves 3 places to the left. So the answer will be 0.0405. Now, how to change from liter to milliliter? For changing from liter to milliliter, we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So for changing from liter to milliliter, we have to multiply it by 1000. And for changing from milliliter to liter, we have to divide by 1000. Let us take an example. Convert 18.2 liters to milliliter. So we have to change from liters to milliliter. So for changing from liters to milliliter, we have to multiply. So 18.2 multiplied by 1000. So the answer will be, here it is multiply. So when we multiply by 1000, the decimal point moves 3 places to the right. So the answer will be 18,200. That's all.